How to combine emojis on Google Keyboard. So let's get started. You can combine emojis on Google Keyboard using Emoji Kitchen. Now here is how to do it. First of all, open the Google app on your mobile device. Once inside the Google app, tap on the search address bar and type down Emoji Kitchen and hit enter and search for it. Now here you can see emoji cooking option available in the blue highlights. Simply tap on it and navigate to the combination. Now here you can select two emojis. Choose the first emoji and then another one. Google Keyboard will suggest combined emoji stickers right next to it. The new blended emoji will be sent as a sticker. You can simply tap on the copy option available at the bottom and copy it as well. You can combine any emoji you wish for. Now once you are satisfied with the emoji, you can tap on the copy icon available. And once you tap on the copy icon, go to the any messages or anywhere and paste it. Here we are on notes and we have pasted it, and as you can see. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.